What a bunch of nerds.
But like how they figured all that stuff out.
Checking for bounties.
The servants of the heart. Well done.
No.
For the
fuck you.
lost.
By the way, I don't know if you
Oryx
guys
yet lives.
exotic
I thought you were gonna tell us checked out your penis.
donuts.
Until next time.
Disruption.
Especially if you're
Aw, fuck you. Really?
those are awesome.
Damn, dude. Those are pretty. Oh, dude, those are shotgun shells? That's nice.
Isn't that awesome?
That's pretty hardcore.
But it adds on when I throw my hammer, it chains fire. It blows up the next like
Dude, those are some sweet arms.
continually chain fire. So like
How did you get that one?
just chain fire.
No, like, how did you get that exotic?
Oh,
Man, I didn't get anything from that shit.
that sucks.
Running systems check.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.
Yeah,
And they give you.
Talk again later, Guardian.
And they increase the size of your penis? Shit.
it's phenomenal in Crucible. You just get somebody that's like just far enough away for your explosion not to go off.
It is an honor, Guardian.
Fire
That's
Dude, my ghost shell's dragging me down, dude. My ghost shell's 275.
Or my boots are dragging me down. They're only 286.
That's still better than my ghost shell. My ghost shell's 275. Haven't been able to find a better one.
You can buy a 280
Where?
at any of the locations. The Vanguard,
the Vanguard.
You just gotta use some marks.
Oh, sweet. I'm gonna do it right now.
Oh, good. A Titan.
For what?
How can we help?
Raid. Raid.
Dick.
The way I do it.
Take it out there.
Ghost in the beginning.
Carry the light out there.
Goes, which increases your light level. And then the shotgun. Exotic swords.
How do these look? Man, I wish I could have been there to see Oryx fall.
The rest of them is like,
Another crisis. Be well.
no, not really.
Step up, Slayer of Oryx.
Yeah, dude. The only thing I don't want
Stretch from the southern tip of this continent. I've neglected my work for too long.
Eris gives you a relic that gives you 300 defense. And then another
Wear it
way
well.
that I found
We still have much to learn about Oryx.
Europe is just do heroic strikes, huge streaks, and hope that you get. Then just infuse your legendaries with higher defense and attack blue engrams. That's how I've got all my stuff.
Okay, I can help with this. Come see me if there's any problems.
Yeah, if you have 3 of coins, that makes it a little bit more, or adds a little more motivation to do it. Without that, it goes, would almost have no motivation.
I don't have any experience with right now. I unfortunately missed Xur. My internet went out on Saturday, and I had just enough to get the Hawk Moon.
Here to serve. The Vanguard has a great many supplies available.
Do you need plasteel plating anymore?
No, you can turn it into your faction.
Yeah.
You gotta go to the Vanguard first.
Wait, so I go to Vanguard, I go to the Quartermaster?
Yeah, in the hangar.
Cool. Cool. Done.
For the Vanguards.
Hey there.
Does anyone have the really sure how to go north? Yep.
Good luck out there.
We do one at the
Write your metadata and return to Vanguard HQ.
find and meet the guys one a day. And then I still know per day. And you just keep going back to the dreadnought.
Beware of the spill, Guardian.
I need to fill it up. What do I do after?
This carving?
Double time.
Once it's filled up, I think you can use it for
Thousands of years pre-collapse.
whole bunch of nothing. Every time I've opened one of the chests, I got like experience, like shitty blues. Yep, and then you'll get a
Hmm?
get a bigger wiener. You get a calcified dragon. I don't understand what's in the core because I have. There's for getting the